Little story time. So I'm on my way to work ekuseni ngisegarage ngifaka petrol. Obviously iwindi lami is down because ngikhuluma nobhuti ongisizayo ukuthi angifakele petrol. Ngisifakele 450 nje nkosi yami petrol wokuqeda iviki. So igarage bengikulona kune-ATM. Kunemoto efaka upetrol efike kuqala kunami eceleni. So the bar that's next to me, but driver wakhona wehlile uye kwi-ATM, and then driver comes back. Ubhuti nje like a decent looking gentleman, and then at this point my petrol attendant usehambile for petrol. I'm on my phone so ngibheke phansi as ubhuti ewindini lami angibingelela nkosazana unjani hayi ngiyaphila bhuti wami kunjani ngiyaphila and he's like oh angincomeke ngibonge, and then he's like ngicela ukukhokhelela upetrol, and then I look at him and ngingakaphenduli, he's like ufake malini. I was like no ngifaka 450, and he's like cela ukukhokhela upetrol. I'm like no, it's okay, because one thing about men, there's always a catch. And I'm like no, it's okay. I insist ubhuti wabantu snap back and forth again manje gets me, it's okay. I see a lady like you does not deserve to be paying her own bills. I'm like ay buena now ushanje, but I'm like no, like ngiyabonga, thank you for the offer, uyongifakela next time. Yes, that those were my exact words, because when I'm trying to be nice, but at the same time angifuni ufake petrol ngoba angifuni ikhechi ezanayo yonke le ntshifi yakho ngifake petrol. And then sithe sabana back and forth enjalo abuze my ubhuti we-regular la because ubize ubaba lo bengisiza the petrol attendant ngesibongo, and then he's like ngeke ngisho phela isibongo sababa sibamani ngicela ungifakele full tank. Shuthi umkhuba wakhe because ubaba akahesitateanga ukuqhubeka afake full tank. Iyafakwa ke manje full tank ngilokho ke isijeb ayibo ngiyabona iyakhuphuka. He's like no, he's gonna pay, don't worry, ubhizi ngala uyancoma, ngibuza isibongo ngiyamtshela isibongo sami uyangithakazelela nje, you don't deserve and then he says, so can I please have your number khona ngizoqhubeka ngikwazi. And I'm like no yeah, siyaqeda nje full take le fakwayo, can I please have your number? And I'm like no, abama ngithi washintsha ebusweni waguga la ubhuti wabantu. I'm like no, kanti ngifakela petrol because i-term and conditions yakhona ukuthi uthole number yami. I'm not comfortable with giving you my number. I don't see the need. Ayibo what is up with the man waze wangaba nalo buyiqiniso aggressively so sekusajalo onyamalala ubhuti abantu bagere emotweni yakhe, and then he tells the petrol attendant ukuthi ngiyabuya. Petrol attendant phela at some point uqedile, and he was like waiting for us to finish having the conversation so that azosho ukuthi ukhokha ngocash nomkhokha ngecard, and then he says ngiyabuya, and I think the petrol attendant ubesewalanda umshini ubhuti washaya imoto yakhe wahamba. Was I not left to pay for full tanki ebengayihlelele? You know what, one thing is fundo la, nothing is for free. Nothing is for free, because the term and condition of me getting that full tank paid by him was ukuthi athole number yami. Ayikho into yamahala. Bafana ngayikhokhela i-full tank kade ngingayiplanele. But yeah, lesson of the day, there's nothing for free employing. There's nothing that you're just gonna get. There's always a price to pay. Anyway, have a good day.